if your favorite hero turned into a truck? Which one would you take to work? First, Iron Man truck. Jarvis, engage beast mode. Next, Hulk truck. No brakes, just anger management issues. Next, Batman truck. Crime fears it, traffic respects it. But hold up, if you think this puppy is cute, like and subscribe, or this spider will crawl all over your body. Then Flash truck. Even the GPS can't keep up with this thing. And finally, Wolverine truck. Road rage? No. Road revenge.